Welcome back to YouTube How To. I'm your guide, Andrew Jean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how much this small YouTube channel of about 9,000 subscribers has made so far with the Google AdSense program in just under 1 year. Now I want to share a little something with you that's really going to help you. You may have heard this before. People be complaining about their YouTube channel. They say, I ain't making any money. And then they'll tell you, do not do YouTube. YouTube is so saturated. Stop wasting your time on YouTube. Oh my gosh, I work so hard on YouTube. Like, people complain, they put it down, and when you are a small YouTuber, you're thinking, oh my gosh, this is hard, this is taking me time. Like, I got other things going on in my life. I got a job, I got a family, I got people to take care of. So you think, yeah, I probably shouldn't do YouTube. It's not really worth it. Anyway, and then if you're not seeing the growth, you get frustrated and you're like, well, people said that YouTube really isn't worth it anyway, so I'm just gonna quit. And have you ever heard that? Have you ever been in that boat? They're lies. They're all lies. My friend, doing YouTube is the best thing that you can do for your life and your business. And I'm going to show you here. Oh, and then get this. They say, donate to my channel. Click on all my affiliate links. And then I'll get on Instagram and like show you all this stuff. Click this affiliate link right here. I'm a struggling YouTuber. Yet they be on Instagram and on YouTube showing you their brand new house, their new Rolls Royce. Okay, probably not that, but their new ride. And you're like, what? I don't get it. You just told me not to do YouTube and you begging people to click on your affiliate links, yet you in this massive house. Fun fact here, but you should also consult with your tax advisor. But most things related to creating YouTube videos, including your home if you are filming in them, can be considered tax deductions. I am so open and honest with you on this YouTube channel right here because I want you to succeed. I do not want you to quit. So I have several bonus tips for you before I show you how much money this small YouTube channel of 9,000 subscribers, thank you very much, has made. Now, most people think of the Google AdSense program when they're talking about making money on YouTube, but there are so many other more profitable ways to make money with YouTube. But let me just give you a little sneak peek year to date. This is how much money my cleaning channel has made, and this is in about 2 years, completely passive, just for making some cleaning videos that I absolutely love and that are entertaining and that people also enjoy. I would say this is a pretty nice part-time gig. Thumbs up if you would agree. This is why I'm saying YouTube is something you need to be doing. Don't quit. So what determines how much money a YouTube channel makes? Let's just talk about the Google AdSense program, meaning you put ads in your videos, the beginning, the middle, if you have over an 8-minute video, or the end. A lot of that depends upon, 1, the amount of views that you have on that particular video, and number 2, your CPM, your cost per 1,000 views. And it can vary from video to video, from channel to channel. So let me just give you an idea right here. So on my cleaning channel, my CPM is this. Honey, insert footage here. On my fitness channel, well, it's not monetized yet. Moving on to the meditation channel, my CPM is this. And then last but not least, this YouTube How To Guide channel, the CPM is currently this. Now, my friend, this will help you make some strategic decisions around the types of videos that you make if your primary income stream is going to be the Google AdSense program. Think about this. If you want to make a lot of money with your YouTube channel with the Google AdSense program, you either A, need to make videos that a lot of people are viewing, which is entertainment related thing, or B, if people have a decent amount of disposable income, what kind of YouTube videos are they watching? A lot of times it's something education related, a lot of times it's finance related, a lot of times it's tech tutorial related. Those CPMs are going to be much higher rather than a day in my life, check out my cool sunglasses vlog. Now here's the beauty with YouTube. You can start making money immediately with your first YouTube video. Yes, you could make $1,000 with your first YouTube video. Let's say you offered one-on-one coaching. You help people self-publish their books. And in that description box, you have your website, you have a freebie, you have a landing page, you nurture them through some sort of email, and you offer that coaching service. Heck, if I want to self-publish a book and you made a bomb video that helped me figure out things related to self-publishing, I'm going to be reaching out to you and seeing how you can help me, because mama ain't got time to sort through 400 videos on YouTube figuring about how to get the job done. Yes? So coaching services are highly profitable and lucrative. By the way, profitable and lucrative are pretty much the same word in one. Let's say you are a writer or you created journals and you had them in your description box. Yes, you gotta just get creative with your money-making ability. You are in charge, you are the boss, you get to decide how much money you make with your YouTube videos. Now, Google AdSense can be highly profitable, but it's not the only way to make money. The other thing that you're gonna notice as your YouTube channel grows, the bulk of your income from the Google AdSense program is probably gonna come in from, I don't know, anywhere from 3 to 5 videos. This money right here on my cleaning hack channel so far is from a handful of videos. And mind you, I have hundreds upon hundreds of YouTube videos. Now, I know you're gonna be asking this because many of you asking and emailing me and you saying, Andrea Jean, how do you make money? What do you make money doing outside of the Google AdSense program? Well, I have an online digital course called YouTube Profit Academy, and it's for elite students that wanna start making money with their YouTube efforts and build the business of their dreams. So they don't solely have to rely on the Google AdSense program, because that can be here, up, down. What if something happened to YouTube? I mean, heaven forbid something were to happen. I help set that up for you in YouTube Profit Academy, and I only offer that course twice a year. It's a very intense course for people that are tired of watching hundreds of videos and wasting their time. Why? Because when I created my first YouTube channel, I worked a full-time job. So me surfing the internet, trying to find the videos, trying to put the pieces together, not getting any feedback on my channel. So that is one income stream. And then 3, affiliates. I make money through affiliates. Well, I should mention 4, I do one-on-one consulting. Very, very, very limited. I'm also working on getting a book published related to how to start and grow a profitable YouTube channel. So the possibilities of how you make money with YouTube are completely up to you. But I want you to have, let's just use this cliche term that's thrown around, a millionaire mindset. Heck, we could say a billionaire mindset or a 6-figure mindset, whatever fits for you. But you want to have the mindset of someone that is doing things, that is building things, that is creating products and services for people to help them. You don't want to come into YouTube with the mindset like, I just got to get monetized on YouTube and see if I can make some money. Maybe YouTube will shed some light on me and pardon me a favor. Maybe I make a little $100 here and there from that YouTube Shorts program. Now, no shade to any of that, but don't come in with that mindset, because you are going to feel stuck, and you're going to be one of those people that are doing YouTube saying, don't do YouTube. You can't make any money from YouTube. It's so frustrating. It's so hard. Is YouTube hard and frustrating? Yes, but my friend, the payout is tremendous. I make way more money than I made going through school, getting a master's degree, missing out on my family, like spending my time 50, 60 hours a week in a corporate job and dealing with the BS of that. I'd much rather be doing YouTube. So how much money have I made so far on this small 9,000 subscriber channel with the Google AdSense program for less than a year? I will put the screenshot on screen now. Now you may be surprised saying, Andrea, you have 9,000 subscribers. That's all that you have made. And the reason being, my friend, subscribers does not equal money. Views equals money if we're talking about the Google AdSense program. Number 2, this space, this how to grow on YouTube space is highly saturated. And number 3, not as many people are going into YouTube to figure out how to do YouTube. People much rather watch cleaning hacks or Mr. Beast doing the random stuff and whatever things that he's doing and masterminding and conjuring up. So it depends upon the topic. It depends on how many views, and it depends upon how saturated your space is. But I am so passionate about the work that I do that I don't care how many views that I have on the YouTube videos. I don't care how much money I make with the Google AdSense program with this particular channel right here. Why? Because my main objective is to help you see success that you desire in your life. And for those students that want to take it to the next level and want a step-by-step roadmap in 6 weeks rather than 2 years, and that's where I help and offer you support in YouTube Profit Academy. So what are your intentions for your YouTube channel? What do you want to do with it? Know that from the beginning. Identify it. Maybe you haven't even thought about it before, but hopefully these questions will help you get more clear on that, because the more clear that you are, the more clear that you will get in the results that you obtain. So if you want to know about paid, all the additional ways that you can make money with your YouTube channel, click this video on screen now, give this video a thumbs up, lots of freebies in the description box, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.